Beti Padhao has been one of the greatest initiatives taken by the Indian government. The main goal of this campaign is to ensure that every girl gets a proper education. Let us start our day by offering prayer to that Supreme Almighty. So get ready for the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes.
तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू वसीम सभी का मेरी तू बाजी तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू वसीम सभी का सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तेरी मर्जी से है मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं तेरी रहमत से हम सबने ये जिस
I would like to call Abya to deliver thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is save the girl child to save the world, educate the girl child to educate the world. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Making a habit of learning new words and putting them into practice go a long way to increase our brain capacity and to expand our mind to the world around us. So let us enhance our vocabulary and next I would like to call Purva. Good morning everyone. Word of the day is feminine, meaning connect with women. Sentence: my sister doesn't like to dress like feminine. Thank you and have a nice day. Knowing what's happening around the world is a very essential duty for all of us. So, I would like to call Soumya to make us aware of today's current happenings.
Good morning, everyone. News headlines are International news. UK PM Rishi Sunak promised tax cuts ahead of autumn budget. National news. Uttarkashi Tunnel coal pass 5 option action plan to rescue 41 trapped workers. Sports news. PM Modi says, keep smiling, it happens. PM Modi visits Team India's dressing room. Thank you.
It's time to take a note to fulfill our duties by saying pledge lines. So, I would like to call Kushana to administer the pledge.
All of you take pledge position. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I'm proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge a devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind!
Is there any birthday celebration today?
Thank you, respected principal and teachers, and all my dear friends.
Thank you everyone.